My babies are hungry and I'm all out of earthworms.
I don't have enough acorns, and winter is coming. I need more logs to build my dam. Help me, Nature Cat!
Never fear! Ha ha! Nature Cat is here to save the day! Onward and onward! This squirrel needs us to collect acorns for him. Onward and onward! Here we go. Let's see how fast we can do this. That's one. Hup. Hup. Two. Hup. Hup. Three. Hup. Hup. Four. Hup.
Thanks, Nature Cat.
Great job! We earned the silver medal. Not bad, but let's try faster next time for the gold! Use these buttons to move left and right to find more animals. This robin needs us to find earthworms for her. Onward and onward! That's one. Hup, two. Hup, hup. Hup, hup. Hup, three. Hup, hup, hup.
I need more earthworms.
Hup. 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 Four. Hup. Ow. Hup. Hup. Hup.
You did it!
Nice job! We earned the bronze medal. Next time, try to go faster and get a better medal. Look! What ho? A new animal! Let's see what they need. This beaver needs us. Okay, let's do this. That's one. Hup. 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 Two. Hup. Three. Hup. 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 Four. Hup. Hup. Five.
You're the best, Nature Cat.